Hello. So today we are going to explore something which is going to make your life a lot easier. So let's look at this data. This is sales data, and you are all familiar with the sort function. Like you can sort all this according to the ascending order or descending order, depending on what you want and how you want it. But when you are doing it, uh, all this table, this data, the way it is arranged is going to change. So there is another way of finding out which is the largest number or the second largest number. So you can know the order without disturbing the way this data is placed. So if that is the case, like you don't want to, so you disturb the order like this. So you can find the rank here. Otherwise, if you need to do this, you are going to select the data and sort from smallest to largest and then expand selection and these sort of thing. You don't want to do that, right? So you have a function which is Rank.EQ. So it returns the rank of a number in the list and relative to the size. So the first would be the number. I want to find the rank of this number in this whole list. Now which is the reference? I say all the G. Let's select the whole G. Now the order. If you want it in descending order, so you have to write 0, and in ascending order then it's 1. So I want it in descending, so 0. So this is 11, and here you have it, so 1. So I did not change this, but now I know how these numbers rank relative to each other. Now there is also another way of doing this, that if you want to find out what number is the largest or the smallest, so you have functions such as minimum and maximum. So for example, you have max number and you just select all this data. It's going to give you the maximum number, which is 720. But what if you want to find out the second largest or the third largest? Look, you can do it from rank, but if the data is huge, then it will be difficult for you. So you have another function which is large. So the array is the whole of G, and you want to find, say, the third largest number. What is the third largest sales number? That is 480,000. And you can also find, say, the smallest. Let me write the function with minimum. So let us select this. So the minimum number is 90,000, but what is the second minimum or the third last in these ranks? So for that you have small. So this array is here, and say maybe the fourth smallest, that is 160,000. So this is how you can do this without disturbing your data. You have found out your largest or second largest or third largest, and also now you know the rank of your data. You do not need to select this and then sort all these in ascending and descending order. I hope you liked this, and if you did, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon.